a limiting reagent problem. We know this because we're given amounts of 2 different reagents. So we are going to do 2 calculations. In each calculation, we find out how much product can potentially be made from that reagent if it was entirely consumed. We start with the amounts given of each of the reagents, write our conversion factor to determine how much product can be produced. We've set up our conversion factors so that the moles of the reagent cancel out. We're left with units of moles of lithium chloride. We'll look at our 2 answers. We're going to choose the smaller of the 2 answer to be our max product. Now we know that ruthenium chloride is our limiting reagent. The limiting reagent is a reagent that leads to the max product. Our other reagent is the excess reagent. To determine the number of sig figs in our final answer, we look into the calculation that results in our max product. The numbers that are used indicate that we're going to be using 2 sig figs in our final answer. So in this case, we're going to have to add a 0 in order to express our answer with 2 sig figs.